escapade, as Rosalind calls it, is that you could have a juror or two that is very comfortable with this individual who's accused of basically triple murder, and that could be a problem getting that individual to pull the trigger on a guilty verdict, could it not? The familiarity aspect of this, it's having dinner with Grandpa, and he's telling the same story, and he makes a few mistakes. But that's expected, right? And the longer you're at dinner, the more forgiving you are for Grandpa's absent mind.
Well, that's true. I mean, Durst, remarkable character in a way for a murderer, right? He has his likable aspects even in his feeble state. And so there is that danger. One big exchange yesterday was when he admitted, I don't know how many minors it was, but to committing minor perjury in a situation where it was simply a mistake. And perjury is knowingly telling a lie, which, of course, there's plenty of here. And, with the cross-examination, he said, well, that's minor perjury because I got Christmas and New Year's mixed up. It wasn't perjury at all necessarily, although Durst has lied about the most critical things. I mean, in terms of finding Susan Berman's body, being in Los Angeles at that time, writing the cadaver note. I mean, all of these lies are big lies. And I just think that the prosecution would be better served honing in on that, focusing on that, instead of, as Rosalind said, these minute details that are going to get lost in the weeds after 12 days of testimony.
But that is a strategy from John Lewin, and he'll use it, right, in his closing arguments. You can hear it right now. And there was more of that yesterday, where Lewin is basically catching him in more of these lies. Whether they're major, minor, or whatever, they are lies because of those details. Take a listen.